guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel and my name is Juhi Chawla. If you are someone new to this channel, then do subscribe to my channel. So this video is all about Nykaa haul. I ordered few products. Obviously lockdown में तो we couldn't order, but जैसे ही थोड़ा unlock हुआ, then I ordered few products and I really wanted to try them. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so basically I'm not a contour person. I never did contouring and all of that, but during lockdown I thought, okay, let's give it a try, and I know how to do it, but I never did it. So I ordered these products for basically contouring. So the first product that I ordered from Nykaa is this one, that is Hola Benefit. It's basically a bronzing powder, and I actually wanted to try contouring, so I thought why not try with this. And I saw few influencers, few of my friends, a few very good makeup artists using it, so I ordered this one. And let me tell you one thing, that I'm really very happy with this product, and I'll just show you how it looks like. So basically it actually comes with this, as you can see, it's a mini brush to contour, and I think this is just a perfect thing for beginners. If you really want to do contouring, then you can try this bronzing powder. This is just perfect for your nose contouring especially. I'll just show you how to do it. I've already done it on my face right now, but I'll just show you. So as you can see how my nose is looking right now. For my face contouring, I use a brush. I prefer a brush, and for my nose, I prefer this one. So it's a very good product and I'm just loving it. So the price of this one is basically, it's 4 grams and the price is 15.30. So I don't remember, I think I just got it on MRP only. So I thought that I should actually give one more product a try for contouring. So I actually ordered this one, that is Beige Focus. It says Beige Focus and it's from K Beauty. It's basically a contouring stick and this is the color of it. So I am in love with this product as well because it is so smooth. I'll just show you, and I think I can use it like for my eyeshadow, for my contouring and nose contouring. Like the nose contouring becomes really very easy with this stick. It blends really well. It can be used as a lipstick also, I think. So I'll just show you how the color is. So as you can see that it blends really well, like it's very smooth and it blends really well. So I just love it. I am loving both the products for my contour. Then I ordered few products from Mamaearth, and I think I just love that brand because I have the whole range of that brand. So I thought that okay, I don't have this product, so let's buy. And those products I'm just going to show you now. First product which I got from this brand is basically, it's vitamin C face toner, and I just love this toner. It actually made my skin so amazing. So the next product that I ordered from this range is basically Mamaearth's under eye cream with cucumber and coffee, and this is basically for dark circles. So it says that this is for dark circles and it suits all skin types. So I've just recently started using this product, and it comes with this bottle and a pump is also there. So I've just started using it, so I just cannot review it right now, but soon I will definitely upload one review. And with this product specifically, I got 2 more products. तो मुझे इस product के साथ जो अंडर आई क्रीम है, and it is for rupees 599, तो इसके साथ मुझे Mamaearth की 2 और products free मिले हैं. So this one is their oil free face moisturizer and it is for 99, which I got for free. And this one is their Upton face wash. Okay, so I'm just for tan removal. I'm very excited to use it. मैंने अभी तक ये दोनों ही products इनके जो free में आए थे वो use नहीं करे हैं. So I'll definitely use these two and will Oh my god. And we'll let you know about the results. So the next product that I ordered from Nykaa is this one. This is very essential, I think. It's Garnier Skin Naturals Micellar Water, and it's actually for all skin types and I just love it. ये जो भी मेरे मेकअप जो वाटर प्रूफ बेसिकली मेकअप होता है उसको भी रिमूव कर देता है. सो एंड वेरी ईजीली, इसका कुछ हार्म नहीं हुआ मुझे. नहीं तो एक मैंने यूज़ किया था मेकअप रिमूवर, उससे मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पिंपल हो गए थे. सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ मस्ट हैव फॉर एवरी वन हु डज मेकअप. And guys, one thing that I really want to say in between that this video is basically not sponsored. ये actual में मैंने products order करे हैं. So yeah. So the next product that I have ordered is these glitter eyeshadow, liquid glitter. So it says Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow. It's from Nika K, and it's in the shade NRE13. So basically Nika K is a brand which I really love. मैंने पहले इनकी लिपस्टिक यूज़ करी है and the stay is superb. Matte lipstick है. So I thought that okay, let's give it a try to this one. And let me tell you one thing guys, ये ऐसा glitter है जो कोई भी यूज़ कर सकता है, even if you are a beginner. And let me just show you how it looks like. So it comes with this. So the glitter basically looks like this. I just hope that you are able to see. And this is basically the contour which I applied. So ये बहुत discoloration हो गया है अभी. And it blends really well. As you can see, आप इसको hand से भी blend कर सकते हो. And even you can use a brush to blend it. So yeah, this is just a must have for every makeup person. बहुत amazing glitters हैं इसके ये. Also, I'll definitely use this glitter in my future makeup videos, so stay tuned for that. And I just forgot to tell the price. So guys, I think it was around 300 or 400. I don't remember. Basically, ये मैंने discount पे मंगवाया था, and I think ये 500 के अंडर ही है, and ये बहुत amazing है. So the next thing that I have ordered is this Indulge Essentials Rose Gold Oil, as you can see here. I have used this, even मैंने अभी भी इसको यूज़ किया हुआ है. Let me tell you one thing that if you want a very flawless makeup, जो आप चाहती हो कि आपका मेकअप का बेस बहुत ही amazing हो जाए, then kindly use this oil. It is so amazing. And the packaging, look at the packaging, so royal. It's just amazing. So I'll just show you how it looks like. Before using, you just have to shake the bottle and it looks like this. So can you just see this gold flakes in it? So it is just so good. It just made my skin flawless and I think it's a must have. Also the price for this one, I got it for 1460 and if you want me to make a video specially on this, basically how to use it, then do let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, so the next product that I have ordered is this banana powder from Forever 52. So guys, Forever 52 is a brand जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Forever 52 मेकअप ब्रांड एक ऐसा है जो बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल है एंड इसकी प्रोडक्ट की जो क्वालिटी है दैट इज़ जस्ट वे टू अमेजिंग. If you want me to make a video especially on Forever 52 brand, then do let me know because I have a lot of products from this brand and I would love to make a video on this. So it's basically their banana powder and मैंने अभी भी इसको apply किया हुआ है and as you can see, so guys, I'm in love with this particular product as well because इससे बेसिकली जो अंडर आई जो हमारी क्रीज बन जाती है क्योंकि हम काला करेक्टर लगाते हैं, कंसीलर लगाते हैं, फाउंडेशन लगाते हैं, व्हाटसोएवर. सो उसकी वजह से अंडर आई जो हमारी क्रीज बन जाती है, दिस विल नॉट लेट दिस हैपन. सो एज यू कैन सी आई हैव ऑलरेडी अप्लाइड इट हियर एंड इसने मेरे अंडर आई एरिया को काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्मूथ बना दिया एंड फ्लॉलेस बना दिया. सो गाइज, आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड मोर प्रोडक्ट्स विच आई हैव राइट नाउ. सो आई थिंक दिस वीडियो विल गो टू लॉन्ग, सो आई हैव टू डिवाइड इट इन 2 parts. So stay tuned for the other part as well, which I'll be uploading on Wednesday. It's all about makeup brushes, foundation and all of that. So thank you for watching this part 1 of Nykaa haul. Also do like this video, do share this and do subscribe to my channel because trust me, it really motivates me. It brings a smile on my face. So yes and yeah, so thank you for watching.